Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well. Are you American?
Yes. Where are you from?
I am from Indonesia.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for 5 months.
What do you do for work?
I am a student. How about you?
I am a student too. Do you know what time is it?
Sure. It's 5:10 p.m.
Sorry. What did you say?
I said it was 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I would like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I would like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like it?
No, I don't. But I like pizza.